Hi, one cappuccino, please. Wait, is that even correct?
Most English learners freeze the moment they walk into a coffee shop. Too many words, too fast, and suddenly, panic.
But by the end of this video, you'll order coffee like a native speaker. Confidently, smoothly, no hesitation.
We'll also give you 20+ real phrases baristas actually use, not textbook English.
So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to English Easy Lovers channel. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Ryan.
And today, we're taking you inside a coffee shop to help you master real, everyday English conversations.
Before we start, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We upload new English lessons every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss them.
All right, Ryan, are you ready for some coffee talk?
Always ready for coffee. Let's go.
Today's topic is at the coffee shop. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to
Number 1. Order coffee and food confidently.
Number 2. Understand what the barista is asking you.
Number 3. Make small talk while you wait.
And Number 4. Handle problems like a wrong order or payment issues.
We'll go slow, repeat key phrases, and give you time to practice out loud. Ready?
Let's walk into the coffee shop.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Corner Cafe. What can I get started for you today?
Good morning. Can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure thing. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. Anything else with that?
No, that's all for now. Thank you. Let's break this down. Notice the phrase, "What can I get started for you today?" This is very common in American coffee shops. It simply means, "What would you like to order?"
And for here or to go? This asks if you want to eat, drink inside, or take it with you. In British English, you might hear eat in or take away.
Let's repeat these phrases together. Repeat after me. For here, please. To go, please. That's all for now, thank you.
Great job. Now let's look at more ordering vocabulary. Let's learn some essential coffee vocabulary before we continue the conversation.
First, types of coffee. Espresso, a strong, small shot of coffee. Americano, espresso with hot water added. Latte, espresso with steamed milk. Cappuccino, espresso with steamed milk and lots of foam. Mocha, espresso with chocolate and milk.
Now, sizes. In most coffee shops, you'll hear small, medium, large, or the fancy versions, tall, grande, venti, used at big chains.
And milk options: whole milk, skim milk, oat milk, almond milk, soy milk.
Let's practice a mini dialogue using these words.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
And what kind of milk?
Oat milk, please. I'm lactose intolerant.
No problem at all. I'm lactose intolerant is a very useful phrase if you can't drink regular milk. Repeat it with me. I'm lactose intolerant.
Nice. Let's move to the next part, sweeteners and extras. Now let's learn how to customize your drink. This is where English learners often get stuck.
Common phrases. Can I get that with extra foam? No sugar, please. Just a little bit of sugar. Can you make it decaf? One shot of vanilla syrup, please. Extra hot, please. Could I get that iced instead of hot?
Let's hear a full example.
Hi, can I get a large caramel latte, extra hot, with oat milk?
Of course. Would you like whipped cream on top?
Yes, please, just a little.
Perfect. That'll be ready in a few minutes.
Notice, that'll be ready in a few minutes. This is the short form of that will be ready. Native speakers almost always contract will to ll in speech.
Great catch, Sophie. Let's practice contractions. I will becomes I'll. You will becomes you'll. That will becomes that'll. We will becomes we'll.
Try saying this sentence naturally. That'll be ready soon. Say it 3 times, getting faster each time.
All right, that'll be $6.50.
Can I pay by card?
Sure, just tap or insert your card here.
Sorry, it says declined. Let me try again.
No worries, take your time.
There we go, it worked this time.
Great, you're all set. Would you like a receipt?
No, that's okay, thank you.
Key payment phrases. Can I pay by card/cash? Do you accept contactless payment? Keep the change. Would you like a receipt? It says declined.
These phrases are extremely practical. You'll use them almost every time you buy something, not just coffee.
Let's do a quick listening challenge. I'll read a short payment dialogue, and you try to catch the key phrase. Ready?
While you wait for your order, it's very natural to make small talk. Let's see an example.
So, are you from around here?
No, actually, I just moved to the city last month.
Oh, nice. How are you liking it so far?
It's great. A bit busy, but I'm getting used to it.
That's good to hear. Well, welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
Small talk topics that work almost anywhere. The weather. Weekend plans. Local recommendations. Compliments. I love your bag.
And useful small talk starters. How's your day going? Busy day today, huh? Have you tried the new blend? Any plans for the weekend?
Small talk feels scary at first, but it's really just being friendly. You don't need perfect grammar, just warmth and a smile.
Sometimes things go wrong. Wrong order, cold coffee, long wait. Let's learn how to handle this politely.
Excuse me, I think there's been a mix-up. I ordered a cappuccino, but this looks like a latte.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me fix that for you right away.
No worries. Thanks for sorting it out.
Here's your cappuccino. Sorry again for the mix-up.
It's totally fine, thank you. Polite complaint phrases. Excuse me, I think there's been a mix-up. Sorry to bother you, but this isn't quite what I ordered. Could you please check this for me?
And polite responses if you're the one who made the mistake. I'm so sorry about that. Let me fix that right away. Thanks for letting me know.
Staying calm and polite, even when something is wrong, is a very native way of communicating in English-speaking countries.
Now let's put everything together. We'll play a full natural speed conversation. Just listen first. Don't worry about understanding every word.
How much did you understand? Don't worry if you missed a few words. That's completely normal.
Now let's hear it again. This time, slowly, phrase by phrase, with translation notes.
Let's focus on pronunciation now. Coffee shop English has a lot of quick, connected speech.
For example, what can I get for you? Often sounds like what can I getcha in fast, casual American speech.
And would you like often becomes would you like?
Don't worry, you don't need to speak this fast yourself, but recognizing it will massively improve your listening skills.
Let's practice a few together. Repeat after me, slowly first, then fast. What can I get for you? What can I get you? Do you want? Do you want? I'm gonna. I am going to.
Great! This is real, natural spoken English, not the textbook version.
Now it's your turn. We're going to give you a role-play scenario. Pause the video and speak your answers out loud.
Scenario: You walk into a coffee shop. The barista greets you. Order a drink of your choice, customize it, and pay.
Take your time. We'll wait right here.
Great job! Speaking out loud, even alone, is one of the best ways to build confidence and fluency.
If you want, write your practice dialogue in the comments below. We'd love to read them.
Let's do a fast recap of everything we learned today.
Greeting and ordering phrases. Coffee vocabulary and sizes. Customizing your drink. Paying politely. Making small talk. Handling mistakes politely. Natural pronunciation patterns.
That's a lot of practical English, and now it's part of your toolkit.
That's it for today's lesson, guys.
If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you haven't already, subscribe to English Easy Lovers channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Drop a comment telling us what topic you want next, maybe at the airport or job interview English.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now, and keep practicing your English every single day.